You're my first monkey that I'm seeing, and you look like legit. You've been going through it. Okay, so I'm gonna.
Take it. Just take the banana. Take it. Stay off me. Yeah.